returning to capture a hive Miss Lillia spotted.
Sweet beehive?
Ginger and Sean, wild as can be, they love to harvest bees. Can't you see? When springtime comes and the hives will split, a new queen is born.
This is prime.
Search the meadows under the sky. With nets in their hands, they're ready to try to catch the queen and her buzzing crew. Ginger and Sean, they know what to do. Oh, the bees, they're buzzing round in the sweet and wild playground.
We're gonna have lots of honey now.
Ginger and Sean, they won't rest till they've caught the queen and made their nest.
They're suiting up here.
Ooh. Buzzing round in this sweet and wild playground. Ginger and Sean, they won't rest till they've caught the queen and made their nest.
That's it. Once the majority of bees were in the box, they were looking closely to see if the queen might still be on the branch. If another swarm started to form, that was an indication that she might not be in the box. But it didn't take long for them to start swarming to the box. It's amazing how that happens. She releases some type of pheromones that draws them in. There's a small hole in the box in which they can fly into the box. You can see everyone was entertained, even Adeline. Oh, no, she's not. She's playing Pokemon. Well, the rest of us were. They were friendly bees. We all stood around and watched and saw how the whole process happened. This is one of the easiest captures they'd ever had. The plan was to set that box in the shade down by the fence so the rest of the bees could actually swarm into the box before nightfall, and there they would rest until evening. And they come and pick up the box. I hope you enjoyed.